Welcome back to the Speed Wheels, where future machines come alive. Today we unveil something that looks less like a motorhome and more like a luxury spacecraft on wheels. This is the futuristic GMC 2026 Ultra Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering, design, and imagination. So buckle up, because what you're about to see looks like it jumped straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's start with the front. One look at this panoramic curved windshield and you instantly understand. This isn't just transportation, it's architecture in motion. The deep black glass wraps flawlessly across the front, bordered by a razor-thin neon LED that gives the entire motorhome a living, breathing presence. The side profile looks like molten metal frozen mid-motion. Long tinted windows stretch across the body, while a glowing golden emblem pulses at the center. And beneath it, 12 massive turbine-style chrome wheels, each one designed like a mechanical sculpture. Move to the rear, and the story continues. Smooth, aerodynamic surfaces, sculpted curves, and a glowing LED tail bar that extends from one end to the other. It's simple, clean, and unbelievably futuristic. The entrance is pure science fiction. A robotic-style door opens with a mechanical whisper, revealing the world of luxury hidden inside. It's not just a door, it's an experience. Step into the cockpit, and you're transported into a high-tech command center. Panoramic glass surrounds you. Holographic screens float above the dashboard, and every control feels like it belongs on a spaceship. The kitchen carries the same futuristic theme: glossy textures, ambient golden lighting, smart appliances, and a seamless layout that feels more like a luxury condo than an RV. The bedroom is designed for pure comfort. Soft ambient lighting, panoramic windows, and premium materials make this space feel like a five-star suite traveling at highway speeds. The washroom blends elegance and engineering. Glass shower, chrome accents, LED lit mirrors, and a layout that feels like a modern luxury spa. Under the futuristic shell lies a hybrid electric power system built for strength, silence, and efficiency. Every component is engineered with precision. Glowing elements, metallic structures, and sci-fi mechanical detailing. The suspension is no less impressive. An adaptive system engineered for stability and comfort, no matter the terrain. The detailing here is mechanical artwork. And now the big question, the price. This ultra-luxury GMC concept motorhome isn't officially priced, but experts estimate figures ranging anywhere between $1.2 million to $3.5 million, depending on configuration. A price that matches the extraordinary vision behind this machine. This is more than transportation. It's a vision of what road travel could become. Sleek, intelligent, luxurious, and futuristic. If you loved... Welcome back to the Speed Wheels. Today introducing Honda's next-generation double-decker motorhome 2026, a masterpiece of futuristic automotive design. From the front, it looks more like a hypercar than an RV, with its sweeping panoramic windshield, razor-sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic glossy pink body accented by bright yellow highlights. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a bold vision of what future luxury travel looks like. From the side, Honda's futuristic engineering truly comes alive. Dual-deck panoramic glass panels reveal the luxurious upper and lower levels, while the robotic entry system hints at advanced automation. 6 massive performance wheels anchor its presence, making the motorhome look ready to glide across highways like a sci-fi super machine. The back of the Honda concept motorhome resembles the rear of a futuristic spacecraft. A full-width LED tail strip glows in bright yellow, complemented by aerodynamic fins and geometric contours. Every inch engineered to look stunning and futuristic. The entrance is an engineering marvel, a robotic sliding mechanism crafted with mechanical precision. Illuminated yellow LED strips highlight its futuristic identity, giving passengers the feeling of boarding a luxury spacecraft. Step inside the cockpit, and you're welcomed by a full holographic dashboard with AI-assisted navigation. The panoramic glass gives a breathtaking view of the road, while the ambient pink and yellow lighting immerses the driver in a premium, futuristic environment. The kitchen features smart touch appliances, seamless cabinet design, and glossy, futuristic finishes, blending elegance with high-tech convenience. This is luxury living, designed for the future. The bedroom feels like a private suite on a spaceship. Soft ambient lighting and panoramic windows create a calm, luxurious environment designed for ultimate comfort. The washroom is designed with premium futuristic elements, floating fixtures, ambient lighting, and a glass shower chamber that gives you a luxurious hotel-like experience. At its core lies Honda's next-gen electric hybrid engine V8, engineered for maximum efficiency and smooth, powerful performance. Neon energy lines and advanced cooling tech give it a truly futuristic identity. The advanced suspension system absorbs every bump with precision. Designed for long journeys, it blends performance engineering with futuristic mechanical aesthetics. A concept this advanced doesn't come cheap. The estimated price for Honda's futuristic double-decker motorhome 2026 is expected to begin at $2.5 million and above, depending on customization. This futuristic masterpiece from Honda redefines what luxury motorhomes can be. From design to engineering, everything blends style, comfort, and future technology. Feast your eyes on the Toyota Supra 2026 motorhome, the beast that refuses to choose between being a hypercar and a luxury mansion. Just look at that front fascia. Aggressive LED eyes, aerodynamic fangs, and a panoramic windshield that almost stares back at you. This is not just a motorhome. This is a Supra reborn as a road-dominating titan. From the side, this giant doesn't just stand, it flexes. 6 wheels, ultra-wide stance, and air channels carved like a katana blade. And that branding, Toyota Supra 2026, tells you exactly what this monster is made for. Speed, presence, and futuristic power. Even the backside of this machine looks like it's ready to overtake you. Sculpted taillights, aggressive fins, and a diffuser that whispers one thing: don't challenge me. This is the kind of rear view you don't mind losing to on the highway. Step inside like you're entering a $1 million supercar, but bigger. LED-lit smart door, soft glowing steps, and a vibe that says welcome to the future of travel. This cockpit is where the Supra DNA truly kicks in. Digital displays everywhere, holographic HUD, and a steering wheel that feels like you're piloting a spaceship, not a motorhome. The kitchen? Imagine cooking inside a hypercar. Glossy metallic counters, smart appliances, everything touch-sensitive. It's luxury meets practicality. Supra style. The bedroom gives total VIP luxury. Soft lighting, premium textures, and a king-size bed with a panoramic view. This is where travelers sleep like champions. The washroom feels like stepping into a 5-star hotel spa. Rainfall shower, floating vanity. Every detail screams premium craftsmanship. Under the hood, you get a futuristic hybrid powertrain infused with Supra performance DNA. Power, efficiency, and style, all wrapped in one glowing masterpiece. This suspension is built for absolute comfort and dominance. Heavy-duty, ultra-stable, and futuristic. ready for highways or rough terrains. Now the big question: what would a machine like this cost? For a motorhome carrying Supra performance, luxury interiors, and futuristic design, the estimated concept value lands between $1.5 million to $2.3 million. That's the price of owning a home and a hypercar, combined into one unstoppable beast. Front view of the Volvo 2026 Hypertruck Motorhome. This matte black beast looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. The panoramic curved windshield stretches from side to side, giving the cockpit a spaceship-like appearance. Neon blue LEDs trace the edges, highlighting Volvo's signature futuristic styling. The seamless smart headlights blend perfectly into the aerodynamic nose, creating a hyper-clean, ultra-modern presence. From the side profile, you can see just how massive and luxurious this Volvo Hypertruck truly is. Sharp geometric windows reveal the warm interior lighting. The glowing blue LED rims outline the body like a digital signature. The exterior staircase is beautifully integrated, lighting up with every step. The double-deck architecture gives you more space than a premium apartment, all inside a futuristic motorhome. The back is just as striking, with a full-width neon blue LED tail bar and layered aerodynamic panels. The roof deck peeks over the top, giving this motorhome a luxury yacht vibe. With the 8 massive wheels and futuristic structure, the rear view screams dominance and premium engineering. Step towards the entrance, and you're greeted by illuminated stairs that guide you into the future. The smart glass door slides open quietly, and warm ambient lighting invites you inside. The exterior and interior lighting merge perfectly, creating a cinematic welcome. The cockpit is pure Volvo innovation. Holographic displays, a digital steering interface, and a curved panoramic windshield that feels like piloting a spacecraft. The controls float in mid-air, and the driver's seat is wrapped in premium materials, making long journeys incredibly comfortable. The kitchen brings 5-star hotel aesthetics, glossy counters, smart appliances, and touch control panels. Whether you're cooking or heating meals, everything is automated and seamlessly integrated. The bedroom offers a king-sized bed surrounded by warm ambient lighting. Panoramic windows let you enjoy city views or nature landscapes from the comfort of a luxury suite. The washroom is a luxury spa on wheels. Glass shower walls, chrome fittings, LED mirrors, and premium marble textures. Volvo didn't just build a motorhome, they built a moving luxury apartment. The futuristic hybrid engine is designed for power and efficiency, featuring glowing energy cores, advanced cooling systems, and Volvo's newest hybrid Hypertruck technology. The 8-wheel independent suspension system is built to handle any terrain with luxury smooth performance. Blue neon highlights accent the advanced engineering beneath the motorhome. Pricing for this futuristic masterpiece is expected to land between $1.5 million to $3 million, depending on customization packages. And that completes our full A to Z tour of the Volvo 2026 ultra-luxury double-decker Hypertruck motorhome. It's futuristic, powerful, elegant, and unlike anything we've seen. The first thing you notice is that Ferrari face, a supercar's nose stretched into a double-deck masterpiece. Those razor LED lights and the panoramic windshield give it the look of a spaceship that just learned how to be luxurious. From the side, the scale hits you. 2 levels, a floating upper cabin, and seamless glass that turns every journey into a panoramic show. The rainbow wrap flows with the bodywork like liquid, while the 6 low-profile tires promise performance even for a home on wheels. The rear blends elegance with function. A thin LED bar and a sculpted diffuser complete the hypercar language, while the exhaust treatment hints that this is more than a showpiece. The door slides open silently to reveal a living room that feels more like a private studio than an RV. Touchscreen controls, hotel-grade finishes, and an entrance that's designed for theater. Get behind the wheel and it's immediate. Ferrari performance ergonomics meet luxury driving tech. Holographic HUD, a yoke-style wheel, and a view out that feels more jet than coach. The kitchen is a chef's micro-palace. Marble waterfall counters, a built-in espresso station, and appliances that fold away to keep the lines clean and flawless. The master suite feels like a 5-star hotel. A floating bed framed by panoramic glass and subtle Ferrari red lighting. Sleep under the stars comfortably. The washroom is pure spa. A rainfall shower, seamless marble, and tech mirrors. Everything engineered to feel indulgent even on the road. Under the skin, the concept packs a hybrid turbo heart tuned for torque and drama. Performance tech borrowed from hypercars, reimagined to move a mansion. The chassis uses adaptive air suspension and multi-link geometry to keep a heavy, double-decked frame feeling nimble and composed. Comfort and performance in one package. And the number? Expect exclusivity. Roughly a $4.5 million starting price. This is bespoke mobility for an ultra-small group of collectors. This Ferrari double-decker is a vision of what mobility could be. Hypercar DNA, floating luxury, and the audacity to ask, why shouldn't your home be as thrilling as your car? Thanks for watching Speed Wheels, where the future of automotive design comes alive. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because the next review is even more insane. See you in the next one.